To construct a multilayer PCB with the inner layer cores we've made, we need to stack them carefully, making sure they're perfectly aligned, and then securely bond them together. First, we prepare the inner layer cores in the correct prepreg sheets as specified in the engineering. We make sure to stack all cores in the right order and orientation during layup. If not, we won't achieve the right connections in later processes, hindering circuit connections across all layers. We alternate between laying cores and prepreg to build up the layers, aligning using the pins. After aligning, we may weld the stack at various points on the outer frame for the needed alignment and layer-to-layer registration. This process repeats with an additional set of cores and prepreg. Afterward, we just need to add the final outer layers of prepreg to complete the package before moving to the last step, where copper foil is added and the stack undergoes pressing. It should be noted that we start with a plate on the bottom of the stack and finish with one on the top of the stack so that the stack, especially the thin copper foils, is not damaged during the bonding process. NCAB only accepts materials, laminates and prepregs from well-known manufacturers. The layup process is crucial for a quality multilayer, and it's a key focus during our audits. To get approval, the layup process must meet specific requirements, including cleanliness, a controlled environment, excellent handling, and well-maintained equipment.